Vine told me if I want a boyfriend, I should start acting more ladylike.
You're an asshole.
I don't get boys. I don't understand you.
Hi, my name's Lisa. I'll be auditioning for the X Factor. It's an original. Good luck. Thanks.
That was a.
Hola, papi.
I feel like I could fart on command, like just.
Yeah, we like to fart, but that's okay. We got big booty, so they want it anyways.
If you keep talking shit about me, I'm gonna fart in your mouth. And if you didn't know, I could fart on command. Told you.